Crystal.
Hi, this is my friend Crystal,
Hi.
and this is her bird, Bud. And they'll go on my finger.
He could also go on your shoulder.
See? He's on my shoulder. Hello, buddy. Okay, well,
Isn't he so cute? I'll get him off of you. Sorry for that brief interruption. Did he poop on your hand? Okay.
apparently he pooped a lot.
Sometimes you could just go up to nobody. I want to pet you. He thinks, I want to go up, but sometimes you can do this with him. Good. Pet him like that.
What else can Bud do?
No.
Can he do any tricks? Can he fly?
Yes, he can.
Can we see him fly, or?
Well, I don't want to scare him, so basically fly from his skin. We love that.
You can't put him on the ground?
We could.
What happened if I bring my hamster out?
Usually he grooms them. He pecks at this fur.
Would that hurt?
No, it doesn't. I don't know how it feels.
Should I bring my hamster out then?
It doesn't matter. You could.
Hold on.
Okay. I'll be inside getting a napkin. Okay. This Bud, he just wanted to... Oh, Bud. Ew, Bud. Ew, Bud. He just did a poultice on me. I better go wash my hands.
That bird must be going to Crystal.
What?
That bird back here.
Okay. Oh, bye.